Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Mr. D Rosario, here to give you the real, the raw, the wins, losses, and them flaws, baby. We here on another day. It is Thursday, October 2nd. I said in the last vid, we passed the 50K funded account. I just purchased an 100K funded challenge. So that's what we're going to be working on today, man, when market opens in about 5 minutes. So let's see what we can get here in the market, baby. So, know there's been, listen, I'm still new, a little new to like fundamental sides, but I heard about some government shutdown or something like that. I don't even know what that is. I guess they didn't come to some agreement for something. There's a government shutdown until they do. So that could affect the market's volatility, could be less volume. I'm not too sure, but as looking at first look, you can see here, if you can see here, we created a new high last night, right? So I'm just here drawing up my lines. We're gonna draw up some lines here. That was Wednesday. Today, what day? Today's Thursday. So this was Wednesday. Oh, this was 3 in the morning when it started to turn. And we've just been going up since. All right, we got market open just now. Let me just mark out some of these things here. Some of my lines. Oh no, sorry. It's previous day low. We haven't swept Asia yet. And then we have a nice London low here. Take that off. And since we're at new highs again, I would say we are currently bullish. So I'll possibly be looking for a long today. Be looking for some longs, look for some maybe some retracements into this trend line here, sweep some of these, and then we'll see. Let me see. A lot of FVGs here. I do see this supply zone here. Got some liquidity lying right above it with the London low too. So you okay? Oh, I'm still your husband. I have to make sure you're safe. And I am doing my work. I didn't notice that the market just skyrocketed last night. So just wait until market opens here, guys. Because we're at all-time highs. So kind of dodgy here, isn't it? Let's see the daily. How about we look at the daily, see what's going on. Wow. Created a new high. So smallest retracement possibly, and then look for a jump. Do this supply zone here though. I do like it. Got liquidity lying right beneath it. So like if I was playing a move, I would possibly wait for it to swipe some of these, make a market shift up. Right, so let's say we come down, tag into it, boom, maybe tag into it again, and then boom, I need to see this shift here, right? And then it should build this zone here, right? And then the bounce off when we get tagged in, leave it below these lows here, and aim for a new high for like 1 to 2. So that's a possibility, but we got to see where this market wants to go first still. We got to see where this market wants to go. So I'm going to go on my 1 minute time frames here. 3 minutes. Let's see. Got some equal lows. Are those equal lows there? Are those equal lows? 505, 150. Oh, those is equal lows right there. So we got equal lows there on the 3 minute. So we could be looking for, okay, market opened and we got a dumpy here. Got a small little dumpy here. So let's see what happens here. Nice little dump into the downside. Breaking market structure. Let's see. Let's wait. See what it wants to do. Keep an eye on ES too. See what ES is doing. I'm watching ES on the side. Took these out on ES, but we didn't take it out on NASDAQ. Took out that low on. Oh no, wait. No, they both took out. It's this low here. Took out this low on thing, but didn't take it out on here yet. So let's see. We are gonna take those out. Oh, just gonna wait patient. Wait patiently. Wait patiently. We're gonna wait patiently. We are gonna wait patiently. Didn't create a gap, eh? No, it didn't. It's definitely a shift, but we're at all-time highs, so I just don't wanna. This is looking like a nice supply zone, to be honest, on the 15-minute there for 1 to 3. That'll be a nice 1 to 3 right there. We're going to see here. We're going to see because we could come back up. If we possibly come back up and I see some confirmation to go back down, I'll take that position. But let's see. We're going to be patient. Ooh, yeah. I got to go use the washroom. All right, back. All right, we just dumpied a little more, didn't we? All right, let's see. I think we are going for those lows. Trying to lock in, see what's going on here. Because I don't think we're gonna go for that. We're not going for that no more. Look at that candle. Looking for some sort of, because we're bullish. So I'm not looking for no sells here. I want it to hit one of my zones in one of these liquidity points and then look for my setup. Yes is not dumping like that. Yes, give us same similar creeping on that London low. We do got some liquidity here. We got some liquidity there. We are creeping up now to our zone of interest. Let's see what happens here. We definitely swiped London. We didn't swipe London on ES. Let me see. All right, we are going for more. Let's see. Because we're just creating huge gaps on the way down. So let's see what happens here. This is a huge gap. Like I said, I don't know if this has something to do with that government shutdown. I have no idea. Let's see, man. The market looks like it wants to dumpy. I'm not just going to jump in a position here. I'm going to take my time. I'm just going to take my time. London got swiped. My next liquidity target got equal lows. The equal lows got swiped. Let's see what the market wants to do here. I don't even think we had a chance for it to tap into any FVGs or anything. It's just dumping. Their ES swiped London now. NASDAQ also, MNQ also swiped my next liquidity target. Hey guys, in hindsight, I could have just opened at market open. Opened a position at market open and hit all my targets. But market doesn't really work like that. So we're going to see what happens when it taps into this demand zone here. Yes, swipe those equal lows. All right, we tapped into that now. Let's see. It is looking rough though. There's no liquidity in that drop on the 15-minute. Let's see if we can get swipe from here, or we're just going to go for the Asia lows, I believe. Could go for them Asia lows there, which is around 50% of that zone there. But let's see what happens. Let's see. Market is just dumping. The market is in dumpy mode. Not giving us nothing. I don't even know. Was there any? Look at that. How do you even play that? You can't play that. This is where I feel like the discipline and the patience have grown for me. Because I'm completely fine walking away on today with getting no trade. Completely fine. All right, we have a huge 3-minute again here. I don't know what this market wants to do today, guys. Because I don't even know if we displace this, if I even want to take it. That was lower time frame shift there. Was it? Let's see what ES is doing out here. This is our first tap back into a FVG. It's our first tap. It's our first tap. Let's see what happens. Got a lower time frame shift. There's the 50% of the zone. Are we going to continue down from here? Let's see. And we actually tapped into the 1-minute here. That's what we did. Like I said, I did read about some government shutdown, so I'm not banking on anything happening today, but we will, if it happens, I will definitely play it. Let me see this higher time frame here. Tapped right into it, swept everything. So I think if we do get some sort of displacement, because we are bullish, we broke into new highs. We tap into that zone there. That zone was a nice little tap. That would have been a nice little tap, but let's see. Impatient, man. Stay impatient. We want to respect it, don't we? But it left equal highs up there. I don't like that. Could be looking to go for Asia. Look at that, guys. You guys seen that one live in action. It clearly respected this FVG here and went for the move down. That's why I projected that move, but it's just not my setup, and I want my setup. Look at the real highs. Let me see. Asia low, right? We do have this 4-hour gap here we could look out for. Just trying to see what the higher time frames are telling me here. Let's check out our fib levels. Could we be going to the 50% here? Possibly. Look at this. This was the move right here. The respect of this FVG. And then, see, that's why I say I got to start taking some proper... Hold on. Oh no, but we not sweep Asia. Let me get rid of these because we already swept London low. We took that equal highs, equal lows, and we took this liquidity I was looking at there. But we didn't swipe Asia, did we? Respected the 1 minute. Let's see. It actually hit 50% of the 3 minute, didn't it? Yeah, hit 50% of the 3 minute gap there and continued down. All right, there is the Asia swipe and the 50% of that zone. So let's see what happens here. Go off of this 1 minute here. See what we'd be looking at here. Have to be those right there. Let's wait for this candle close. Maybe I'll go with half the position. We didn't get the candle close like that, but let's see if we can still get the inversion. I'm gonna wait on it. I'm gonna wait on it. Let's see if we can honestly get a candle close. No, we did test the 50. You know what? We tested the 50 already. We moved out of it. I should wait for the inversion though. I should. Because as of right now, we're not inverting it. Oh, we inverted it on ES though, and took liquidity on ES. We did invert it on ES. I didn't see that. That's why I waited for the candle close. Because that would have been a losing trade right there. Well, not really. I would have still had my stops there, but that would have looked like a loss. So that was a good save there. Waiting on the candle close above FVG because we didn't get it. Looks like we still want to go down. Created another bearish FVG here. You guys seen I had the buy ready, but we didn't get it. Do like this liquidity. It's building up though. So we're going to be a little more patient. It's a bit more patient. Gap within a gap. So it could just be going more down still. To be honest, let's see some more points of interest. Could it be going for this here maybe? What is this? Or even this? Or to break through this one? Let's see. Kind of like that. Oh no. Are we going to take out the liquidity already? That's a nice displacement.
Order filled.
Let's see, guys. First position. Let's see where this takes us. We do have this FVG up here that we're going to watch, but I do think we can take out these equal highs here. I do believe we can take those equal highs out. Still could be respecting, let me see, the 3 minute. Yeah, we still could be respecting the 3 minute. Ooh, guys, might be a L on our first position on the account here. Minus 150, minus 100. Just gonna play this out a little bit here. Where's ES? Just tapping into that. I'll go break even. If we can take those equal highs, I will go break even. But I want to see us break those equal highs first. Can we break them? We didn't quite hit them. Leaving even more relative equal highs up there, which is good for us. Let's see. If we get a candle close below here, I will close. We need to break this. This is the problem. That's the problem right there. That is definitely the problem. We got to break through that. You see, if it took those lows, if it took those highs, I would have been at break even. I would have been out the trade. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm willing to just take this wherever it goes. It's my first trade on the account. I waited for this setup, so if it plays out. Looks like ES wants to break below that gap. So it's kind of looking like, hold on, let me see what it's doing up here. Looks like it wants to break this gap right here, don't it? Shoot. Let's see. Come on, baby. Get those highs. Let's get those relative equal highs, baby. Let's get them. Come on. More equal highs again. Let's get them. Come on, baby. Let's go. There it is. I'm going break even. So we're break even, risk-free, baby. Let's go. So we're now break even in the trade. Risk-free here from here, guys. So let's see how we play these other gaps. We're up 300 on the play. Just this point, it's either zero or we're going to get some profits today, guys. Candle closed above that. Let's see. Created a bearish, bullish FVG here. This did it get respected on the 3 minutes? It's still respecting the 3 minute. I think that 3 minute really existed. Let's see how it goes here, guys. Let me see the higher time frame here. I want to check the fibs on this here. Oh, we could be hitting break even, guys. It is looking like a break
Order
even.
filled.
Yes, and it was a break even, guys. So that's unfortunate. We were up around $400 on the play before it did that. And I think I'm just going to call it there for the day. We lost 40 cents. And that's it for today. You guys see the play sort of worked. That's just unfortunate. Let's see what it does from here. I maybe should have went a little more aggressive on the play when it swiped those things there. Does it look like it came? Did it want to just come from my stop loss? So maybe I should have been a little more patient on the stop loss. But guys, that's it for today. Caught a break-even play there. Waited for my setup. I was patient. We swiped my targets. And it's just unfortunate, man. It just looked like the market, we were up 400 on the play. It looked like the market just wanted to come down and take me out. And then maybe it might continue its move. But I'm not going to rush into anything and not going to be naive. I'm going to call it here. And that's all I got for y'all today. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what I could have done better on that play. But yeah, see y'all guys next time. Yepers.